Good morning, third grade. This morning we're going to learn about longitude and latitude and some things that go along with that. The standard that we're going to use is standard 3.3, and it says use cardinal directions, map scales, legends, titles, and longitude and latitude to locate major cities and countries in the world. So first we're going to look at maps. We're going to look at the compass rose. We're going to look at a map scale. We're going to look at what titles can tell us about maps. And we're going to look at cardinal directions, which kind of goes along with compass rose. So our first map is a map of the state of Tennessee. We can tell that it's a map of the state of Tennessee by this title right here. It says Tennessee State Map. So that's what we're looking at. It also has a legend, which is right about here. And it tells us the state boundary, the county boundary. It shows us that there's an interstate highway system that goes through the state of Tennessee. And it can also show us where our state capital is, which is right here. And our major cities. These are the major cities are the ones with the little yellow dot. So some things that we can look at on this map are our border states: Kentucky, Virginia, North Carolina, Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, and Arkansas and Missouri. We can also see where north is. This is one of our cardinal directions: north, south, east, and west. Well, here's north. We can also look at our map scale, which is right here, and it can tell us how big the state of Tennessee is. So if we had a piece of string or a piece of anything really that we can make small enough to fit this map scale, we could measure how big the state of Tennessee is in miles, because from here to here is 50 miles. So if we had a piece of something that we could measure with, we could take it and go from here all the way to the end of Tennessee and see how long it was. So now that we've talked about maps, let's talk about longitude and latitude. Longitude and latitude are the lines on a map. You can see it kind of in the background here. So longitude goes up and down the entire length of the globe or the map. These longitude lines are vertical. I think of them as a long stretched out piece of noodle. And our latitude lines go across. They go from the equator all the way across. So these lines go from east to west on a map or a globe. You can see them on this background picture right here. Oh, whoopsie daisy. There we go. Okay, so we've got a longitude and latitude dance. Let's see if it'll play for me. Hold on. Oh. The audio is faster than the video. Let's see here. There we go.
I'm only G, you all know me. I teach history in the Riker canteen. I'm in a geographical mood. Gonna teach latitude and longitude. Everybody clap, dude, this is latitude. Everybody clap, dude, this is latitude. Don't get it wrong, dude, this is longitude. Don't get it wrong, dude, this is longitude. Latitude, longitude, ha! Latitude, longitude, ha! I showed you how it...
Okay, so that was kind of a silly dance, but it kind of shows us what longitude and latitude are. So longitude are those big, long vertical lines, and latitude goes straight across, like you're dabbing. So now we're going to do this page together. We're going to find our latitude and longitudes and see what goes on those lines. So at 33 north, latitude and 112 longitude, oh, whoopsie daisy, we should be able to find a city or a national landmark. So let's see. Let's go to 30 north latitude. I wonder where that's at. 33 north latitude. Oh, I remember. Those latitude lines go vertical across the map. So 33 would be about right here. And then where's our longitude lines? I think they go straight up and down. So about 112 longitude would be right here. That city of Phoenix. Now let's go to number 2. Oh, Miss Whirly's having trouble today. 35 latitude and 78 longitude. So 35 latitude is going to be right about here, right in the middle between 40 and 30. And then 78 longitude is going to be somewhere way over here. Oh, right there it is. Raleigh, North Carolina. I'm going to give you guys this paper and we can work on it some more during class time. And then here's our world map. On this world map, we can find some things. We can find the prime meridian, which is where our longitude starts. It's right about here. Longitude, straight up and down, long like a skinny noodle. And then we can find our equator, which is where our latitude starts. Right here. It's at 0 degrees. So it goes all the way across the map. Our latitude. So longitude goes straight up and down. Latitude is vertical. So we can find some things on this map. We can find some countries. We live in the USA, so I bet we can find the USA on this map. I believe that the USA goes straight through 40 north on our latitude line. Does it? Oh, yep, it does. And the middle of the USA goes through 100 west on our longitude line. Yep, right there it is, right in the middle. We can also find other countries through the world. So I'm going to give you all a handout of this map, and we're going to find some key countries, and we'll do it together. So there was longitude and latitude. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. You can shoot me an email if you're not in class. If you're in class, just raise your hand and we'll talk about it. If you have a question, somebody else probably has the same question too. Thank you for watching our video, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye.